Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Twisters, we're making another juice. We have a great juice twist section on our website, www.shellyscuisine.com. Today, we're gonna make cilantro lime squash with jalapeno. Okay, it's an unusual drink. We have 4.5 cups of water. Sorry about that, I had my pot turned on. We have 3/4 cup of sugar, and we have 1/2 cup of agave. Cut down on the sugar. Okay. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't twist it. Even though we're going to be using cilantro later, I'm twisting it with some mint. About 3 sprigs of mint. I am going to stir this and bring it to a boil. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the lime juice and cut up the cilantro. So we will bring this to a boil. When we bring it to a boil, we will proceed. Our liquid, it's boiling, and we're gonna add 2 jalapenos. Take out the seeds. I am leaving some seeds because I want a little bit of a kick. So take that out, and 1 cup of coarsely chopped cilantro. That's where the cilantro comes in. So we're gonna stir this in. Okay, and once we stir that in, we are gonna turn it off. We are going to move it from the heat, and we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Then we'll finish it. So we've let it sit off the stove for 30 minutes, and now we're gonna just transfer it to a bowl, and we're just gonna cover it, and we'll let it sit for 2 hours. We really want the cilantro, the jalapeno, the mint, we want them to marry, okay? So in about 2 hours, we'll let this sit outside, and we will strain it, and we will add the lime juice, and we will be finished. So it's interesting. This particular lime squash takes a while to make. So if you're gonna serve it that evening, you should start making it in the morning, okay? It's time to strain our juice. And so, very fine strainer would be good. Let's hope I don't make a mess. All right. Oh, it smells so good. That's because I love cilantro. Okay. So, now that we have strained that, we have the lime juice. This is about 1.5 cup of lime juice, but I have a little bit less because I'm not sure how tart my lime juice is. You can do it with the pulp in it or not. If you don't want the pulp, you can strain your lime juice in, but I do want some pulp. So I'm gonna put half without, and I'm gonna put the other half. I like the pulp when I'm drinking my lime squash. Okay. Guys, look at that. Oh yes. And this is different. This is really different to give your guess. Okay? Nice. And of course, I have to taste. So, yeah. It's delicious. I have a lot of pepper in this, it's good, but not too hot. The pepper is supposed to flavor the drink, not take it over. Absolutely delicious. So twisters, thank you for making cilantro lime squash with jalapeno with us today. Please hit the subscribe button, also the notification button. We put out videos once a week. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.